Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm going to do somewhat of a Dwight inspired pour. I have, now this has a little bit of satin enamels in it. I know you're not supposed to use it. Ooh, it seems thick. Better thin that out. And I have some fluorescent colors. I kind of want to make a nebula or something outer space. So I have got, this is fluorescent pink Pebeo, fluorescent orange Pebeo. We have fluorescent blue red Pebeo. We have TLP in pinwheel. It's my favorite. And this is Amsterdam Pearl Blue. This is Amsterdam Pearl Violet. So it'll be interesting. And I've tried tilting them, but I have never tried spinning it. And it's going to be a mess. And I know it's going to be a mess. So I've got that in my head already. I do have some Artist Loft black, and I mixed it with a little bit of Meeden black as well. It's very thin. So I'm going to spin this out, guys. It's going to be interesting. I wonder if I should, you know what the heck. I'm not going to spin it super hard, but I know it's going to get all over. I don't like black paint. I never have. It's just so messy, but it has such really good effects too. So I'm going for it, guys. Had a lot of fails lately, a lot. I think I need to go to the beach and recharge my batteries. That's what usually does it for me. Oops. And I did prep my edges. This is a 12-inch round staple back. I just saw it up there and thought, I'm gonna try it. So, yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. I have no idea. Lately, nothing has worked. So, we're gonna try our white first. A little bit of white down here. Now, I just put some water in it, so it's got lots of bubbles. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to start with the fluorescent pink. Trying to get this dead center. And then the pearl violet. And then the fluorescent orange. And then pearl blue. Blue and orange don't go, but it's pearl. So then, this is my favorite, the red. And then a little bit more of the pearl violet. And the TLP, which is, I love the way it looks against the black. So, oh my gosh. All right, so let's get it nice and centered before we pour the black on it. And here comes the black. And we are going to spin. I haven't spun this yet, so. Oh, Jesus Louise. And I said I wasn't going to spin it fast, right? Gotta make sure I got enough paint off of it. All right. Well, I'm glad I put this down. All right, I'm going to leave it. I see that one kind of funky looking. And we're just going to let it develop. I'm going to put you on time lapse. Oh my God, guys, this is truly incredible. Yeah, I'm beginning to wonder if I should do paint pouring ever again. Oh my God, one last attempt at something to save this. Lordy, lordy. I just can't believe it. I mean, geez. That's my favorite color. So far nothing is working. And yeah, it's all right though. We all have those days. So I'm just gonna try my best to save this and see how it goes. Just a tiny little drop. There we go. Oh, I think there is a full moon out. Dang it. So here we go. This is the last ditch effort. Let me make sure I've got enough paint off here, or on here. I'm gonna pull this back because I know it's gonna get messy. Low fan cool. Oh, time for the beach. Let's just give this a minute or two to see what happens. Oh, apparently there was a lot of paint right there. Yeah, I'm not happy with anything these days. I mean, I'm happy, but I'm just not happy with my painting. Oh my God, it's awful. Oh. All right, I still have some black paint. This is all coming off right now. Where's my scraper? That is just god-awful. Ugh. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna try one last thing. This is the rest of the, oh geez, that's a lot. I don't meant to put that much on. You know what? Let's just leave it at one color. Because that's way too much paint. That's it's close. It looks like, you know what? That's the damn full moon. I did a full moon. Well, that's about the best I've done all night. And that's not saying a lot. in days actually. All right, I'm calling that my full moon. It's my full blue moon. It does look like a blue moon. I gotta start to learn when to say when. This I don't like though. I think I'm gonna leave it. I was gonna put some white cell activator down. I don't have any made up. I have some, I do have some blue black. That would be kind of cool. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. You know what? Oh, am I gonna wreck it? Let's try it. All right, I'm gonna move it closer so I can. Once in a blue moon. That's kind of cool. All right, there's my blue moon. I don't know if the cells are going to stay or not because it's not on the right kind of paint. But I kind of like what's happening here with the interference colors. I'm not hating it. The first thing I'm not hating in a while. I mean, this is actually something so totally different. Don't spit. I almost spit on it. What do you think, guys? I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, see if it does anything, and I'll come back and show you the wet results in just a few. All right, guys. You know, I gotta tell you, when I broke out the balloons, one of them was shredded, the first one. The second one I blew up and it blew up in my face. And then finally I got a balloon to work and it didn't work. So I'll have to see how this dries in the morning. This is really pretty though. I wasn't sure if I should have put the Australian Floetrol in the center, but I don't hate it. I just hope it doesn't, yeah, come all to the center. It looks like it's starting to come that way. It's not a bloom by any stretch of the imagination because it's not on the right paint. So it's just my way of fixing things. So we'll see if this is a fail in the morning. But I'm not giving up. I refuse. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now. Okay, guys, so this is nearly dry. There's still some wet spots in the center. But all in all, I really like it. I love that color shift in the pearl blue from Amsterdam. And even, whoops, even this part turned out not too bad. So yeah, it's an eyeball. All right, just not sure. Oh, wow, you can see. It's kind of good that it's a little bit wet because you can see all that sparkle too. Yeah, it's a winner. Oh my God, the struggle was real.